Assalamualaikum, my name is Abdur. I will present English. It is bowl. It is used for food or liquid. It is spoon. It is used for putting food soap into the mouth. It is fork. It is used for lifting food to the mouth. It is plate. It is used for putting food. It is knife. It is used for cutting vegetables, fruit, beef, etc. It is microwave. It is used for cooking or heating food very quickly. It is spatula. It is used for mixing and spreading things. It is teapot. It is used for tea or water. It is gas stove. It is used for heating or cooking. It is blender. It is used for mixing soft food or liquid. It is cup. It is used for drinking some water. It is grater. It is used for grating cheese, carrot, etc. It is ladle. It is used for serving liquid. It is rolling pin. It is used for making dough flat and smooth. It is refrigerator. It is used for making food be cold and keep it fresh. It is bread toaster. It is used for toasting bread. It is fry pan. It is used for frying food. It is rice cooker. It is used for cooking some rice. It is apron. It is used for keeping clothes clean when cooking. It is cutting board. It is placed for cutting vegetable or meat. Assalamualaikum. Thank you guys.